So, all right, here we are in the Indian Ocean, and we talk about the Indian Ocean dipole, the Indian monsoon, indeed. And here you learn that actually the wind-driven circulation in the Indian Ocean is quite variable. Because of the monsoon, you have pronounced seasonal changes of the wind-driven circulation. So it's much more complex what happens in the Indian Ocean compared to the other oceans. Can we talk about boundary currents and coastal upwelling systems? I introduce you to the Lewin current. The Lewin current. We look at the spreading of deep water masses, and I discuss the Red Sea and Persian Gulf. Persian Gulf is the first example of an inverse estuary. Okay, you know, inverse estuaries are hypersaline estuaries, like Spencer Gulf. Spencer Gulf is an inverse estuary, and Persian Gulf as well. And then I introduce you also to the Australasian Mediterranean Sea, which is essentially the Indonesian waters, the Indonesian through flow region to the north of Australia. Okay, so you'll learn a little bit more about the tracing of water masses in the ocean interior. And indeed, there's always links to dissolved oxygen, because you learn about oxygen minimum zones. And the Indian Ocean has very low, the northern part of it at least, very low oxygen, dissolved oxygen, not at the surface, but say starting from 50 meter depth. Okay? All right. In the tutorial, you learn the important skill of how to draw contours by hand. Okay, it's a quick method. You are out in the field, you do measurements at different locations, and you produce a quick contour map. Contour maps are a great deal. They help you. Okay, and this is instead of learning GIS and anyway, your computer is broken during the field trip. It's a very important skill. Okay, so after we finish the Indian Ocean, we jump into the Atlantic Ocean.